YouTube videos are not just about the visuals, they're also about what you're hearing. So having the right soundtrack to your video can really create the mood and do a lot of the heavy lifting to set people in the right frame of mind to accept the information that you're sending to them. So to do that, you're going to need some royalty-free music, and I've got a great choice for you to get just the right music for your videos. Let's jump in. Now, there's obviously a lot of tools out there that you can use. The one that I tend to go to most frequently, that I find the best library and the easiest to use platform, is Epidemic Sound. So when you get here, it'll look something like this. And up at the top, you can either log in if you already have an account, or we can just create a free account here. And this allows you to start browsing and looking around before you actually commit to paying any money towards this. So you'll just need to add in your credentials to set up an account. And once you're in, you'll land on a page like this, and it's just going to ask you some questions about who you are so that it can start catering some of the choices to what you want. We're doing some YouTube videos, so we'll select there, and they'll have some featured tracks. Now, right in the center of the page, it's going to have some tracks that are recommended for you. Now, obviously, the more that you download, the more that you use, the more that you listen to, the more that that'll get fine-tuned to really be your personal taste. When you're just starting out, it might just be sort of random until it gets to know more about you. But over here on the side, you'll see there's a music category. So you can click on that. And then you just start searching and really just type in the sort of mood that you're looking for. You can add it in the search bar here, or you can select certain genres of music down here as well. So there's lots of different ways that you can search. So sometimes I just like to punch in here, let's say, so upbeat, fun, quirky background music, and we'll just search for that. And it'll give you a bunch of options. Again, this is what I love about Epidemic Sound, is that there's so many options that are on there. I'm pretty confident that you'll find something that you like. And then you can go through here and just sort of preview the options that come up. Okay. And I kind of like that. And sometimes it takes a while to really kind of listen to finding the right thing. You can sort of get lost in this as you go through there. There's also options that you can favorite them or like them so that you can refer to them later. You can add them to a playlist. Sometimes I'll create a playlist for a group of videos that I'm doing that I can pull from later. Obviously, you can download it. You got some other options in here as well. And while we're on the subject, if you're really interested in trying to grow your YouTube channel, our team has put together a completely free playbook. And it includes a 3-part framework for reaching new audiences, keeping them watching, and measuring what actually drives growth. So take a look at this playbook because it covers everything. It'll tell you exactly what to make, how to structure it so people stay, and then how to read the data so that you know exactly what's working. And you can grab it completely free. Just click the link below. Now, you can also go into the edit option to create different versions of this. So let's say you just need like a 15-second stinger to be able to use for a certain part or the beginning of the video. And you can listen to it that way. Right? Or you could do just a simple one. So you get different variations on the same soundtrack depending on the usage that you want in your video. So this is really kind of nice because maybe I just want a 30-second version and it already edits it for you just like that. You can also go up here and select your own section and you can play that if you want a certain section yourself. So we're just going to back out of that. And once you pick the track that you want, then you just have to click on download. Here, again, it'll give you some segments that you can do. And what I also like, if you really want to get technical, you can get the full mix, which is what we were just listening to, or you can get all the stems. So each of the individual tracks within the music, the instrumentation or the percussion, things like that, you can have those split up. So now you can mix and kind of create your own original music if you wish, and if you have the technical skills to do that. I usually just like the full mix, and then you just click on download. And of course, in order to download that, you'll need to set up an account. If it's a new email that you're using, you can sign up for a 30-day trial, or you can just go to the paid account and be able to download that there. Once you've paid for the music, this is the most important part about this, is it is royalty free. Royalty free does not mean that it's free to you. It means that you've paid for the rights or the royalty to be able to use that music in your videos. So now if you use this on a video on YouTube, YouTube will not be able to take the video down because you're using somebody else's music that you don't have the rights for. You will be able to prove to them that you have paid for this. This is something that you have permission to use on your video, and it makes everything secure, safe, legal, and everything is just the way it should be. This is a much better and safer option to be doing than stealing or borrowing music from something that you don't have the rights for. But this always gets people hung up. Just because it's royalty free means it's free of royalties, not that it's free for you to use. So that's an important distinction. Now what's cool is you can also get sound effects on here. So you can find like individual little sound effects to add into your video. You can add voices. You've got all kinds of other tools that are available to you in there as well. But again, we're focused on finding the right music for our videos, and it's all there. And it's that simple to find royalty-free music through Epidemic Sound for your next YouTube video. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.